Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn or edit your videos to be like a movie in CapCut. So first, what you need to do is just go to templates, and in here, in the search column at the top, so in here, just type in this keyword like a movie and click on enter, and you'll find a bunch of templates that you can use in here, like a movie, life like a movie, my life like a movie. So just choose which one to use. I'm going to just use this one. Now click on the use template and import your clips. So I'm going to just use photos in this case to make it quick. Okay, let's add it like this. Okay, the last one. Now click on next and you'll be done. So this template will make your videos or photo looks more aesthetic. And I think that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!